Hi friends, welcome to the video for match function. Now this match function is a very cute function. It helps a lot. As in, let's see if we have a specified value which we want to check whether it lies within some other selected range or not. For example, I have IDFC Bank here. I want to check whether this IDFC Bank lies within the list of banks or not. If it lies, then at which position or which row per se. This is solved by match function. Now how do we apply it? Equals match. Again, your favorite. It asks you for a lookup value. Now lookup value is the value which we need to check here. So IDFC Bank, comma, lookup array, from which array you need to check, from which range you need to check. So I need to check this within this range. I need to check whether IDFC Bank lies within my selected range or not. Comma, exact match, so 0 for exact match, and I close the bracket and press enter. So it says ninth row of the selected range will have IDFC Bank. Let's see. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. IDFC Bank, I got it. If it would have been ICICI Bank, it will give me 3. So out of the selected range, so since I selected from the top, it gives me 3. If I would have selected from here, it would have given me 2. So that's how match helps. It will match this desired value from the selected range and give us the position where the desired value is. Alright, so if it would have been a UCO Bank, now UCO Bank, I want to check whether UCO Bank is within the list or not. No, it is not. It gives me an error. If I want to check Kotak Mahindra Bank, it gives me 6 since I have Kotak here. Alright, so that's how I use match to find out the position of the desired data. Alright, so it matches my desired data with the selected range and gives me the position where the data is. So that's all about match function, guys. A very cute function, but very important if you are using the lookup functions. This match function here will help you automate those lookup functions. So I hope you understand this match function by now. We are switching back to our VLOOKUP example and let's see if we can automate that VLOOKUP example or not. Alright, see you around in the next video covering the same example for VLOOKUP. We are going to automate the VLOOKUP now. Very interesting part lined up, people. Stay tuned.